Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar. Today I want to show you that the Stellar is giving a little bit bearish signal on the daily and the short-term chart, but it is still bullish on the long term. First, I want to show you this bearish shark formation by the Stellar. After that, I want to show you this up channel movement and the different support and resistance level for the Stellar and the formation of this falling wedge pattern that is formed on the long-term chart and the position of the different moving averages on the long term. And at the end of this video, I would like to recall this repetitive move of the Stellar that can lead the Stellar price action up to the $2. First of all, I want to show you this bearish shark formation that is formed on the weekly chart, even though I'm not so much clear that whether this is a separate leg or this is a continuation of this leg, because we don't have an obvious upward and downward, the big move upward or downward that can separate this leg from this leg. However, if we just forget this leg and we just take it from here, then this is the initial leg, and A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci level. I've just ignored this extra spike. And B to C leg is retraced between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And we have a spike up to between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci. So here, a complete bearish shark is formed. Now, if the price action will be dropped from here, I'm just placing this Fibonacci tool from C to D leg, then it can be dropped between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C to D leg. That is from almost 7 cents up to all the way up to 4 cents. However, if we move back to the daily chart, to the short-term chart, then we can see that the price action is moving within an up channel, and after hitting at the resistance of this channel, now the price action is likely to have a drop, or maybe it will retest the previous support of this channel, and we can see that this movement of price action between this channel is very much synchronized with the combination of these three indicators. For example, whenever the price action reaches at the support and we receive the bullish signal after that, after when the price action reaches at the support, by this squeeze indicator, and this stochastic gives the bull cross, and after that, when the directional indicator positive crosses up the directional indicator negative in this directional movement indicator, then we can see that the price action turns very strong bullish and reaches up to the resistance of the channel. And here we have again witnessed the same move again when the price action dropped down at the support, and the squeeze momentum turned bullish, and the stochastic also gave bull cross, and at the end the directional positive indicator crosses up the directional negative indicator. Then we can see that again the price action turned strong bullish, and it produced very strong bullish rally. And at this time the ADX is up and showing the power of bulls, but we can see that this positive directional indicator is moving down to cross down this negative directional indicator, and once this cross will be formed, then this ADX will be showing the power of bears, and it will be assigned to the bears. And we can also see that this stochastic indicator has given bull cross, this is the bear cross from the overbought zone. That is a very obvious bearish signal. Now, if we will receive the bearish signal by this momentum indicator like we received here, then the downward movement will be confirmed, and definitely we will also wait for this bear cross as well from this directional movement. And now let's move to this support and resistance chart, and this is the daily live chart. At this time we can see that the price action has again hit at this very strong resistance of 8 cents that is not broken out since it was crossed down in the month of August 2019. After that we have witnessed the several attempts by the price action to cross up this 8 cents resistance level, but that is very strong at this time. We can see that the price line, after hitting at this resistance, even though the price line has hit the spike beyond this resistance level, but it is moving down. Here I would like to apply a moon phases indicator. That is very important indicator to see or predict the upward or downward trends. We can see that this is the full moon and this is the dark moon, and the distance from one moon to another moon is called a synodic cycle that is 29.5 days long. Here we can see that this dark moon was appeared just below the support of 4.5 cents. Therefore, the price line dropped up to that level and it was moved up again. We had the previous full moon up to this level. Therefore, the price line moved up to this level and dropped down up to this support of 4.5 cents and used this previous resistance as a support and moved up. And we have a new moon appeared at this level. Therefore, the price line moved all the way up to this level. And now at this time, the new dark moon is appeared at this support of 6 cents. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to cross down or break down this support of 6 cents. However, the next bullish or bearish movement depends on where the next full moon and the dark moon will be appeared. If the full moon will be appeared above here, above this resistance level, and the dark moon will be above appeared more up, then it will be easy for the price line to cross up this resistance level of 8 cents. That is really very strong resistance. However, at this time, the price line is showing the bearish movement. As we can see that after hitting at this resistance level, we have received all these bearish signals. And I'm just waiting for this momentum indicator to turn bearish and this directional movement to give the bearish cross or bear cross as well. Now let's talk about some bullish signals on the long term. And this is the weekly chart, and we can see that the price line is moving in a falling wedge on this weekly long-term chart. And at this time, this next fresh candlestick is opened above the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. As in my previous video, I told you that the Bollinger Bands has moved up the resistance of this falling wedge. Therefore, it was easy for the price line to cross up or break out this resistance of this falling wedge. Previously, we have seen that the resistance or the upper bands of the Bollinger Bands was below the resistance of this falling wedge. Therefore, it was stopping the price line to reach up to the resistance of the falling wedge. Therefore, the price line was not able to break out the resistance of the falling wedge. However, it depends where the price line or candlestick will be closed. At this time, it is open above the resistance, but if it will be closed below this resistance level, then it can enter again into the falling wedge pattern. But if we want the position of this Bollinger Bands pattern, then it can be easily observed that it is moving up and showing the tendency to lift the price action more up. And if I place this volume profile indicator, that is very much important indicator to see the trader's interest within the pattern, and we can see that the trader's interest to the downside is almost at 4 cents, and if we see the trader's interest up to the upside, up to this level, that is almost up to 9.8 cents, or you can say the 10 cents. Therefore, it will be easy for the price line to move more up rather to move more down. But on the short-term chart, as we have seen that it is giving the bearish signal, so there will be possibility that the price line will be moved down here to retest the resistance of this falling wedge pattern as a support, and that is almost at 6 cents or 6.5 cents, where we have our previous resistance level that is almost at 6 cents. Therefore, it will be possibility that the price action will move down to retest this resistance of the falling wedge pattern. Now let's move to this daily chart again to watch the position of the different simple moving averages. This is the 25 simple moving average. This blue one, this is the 50, this is 100, and this is the 200 simple moving average. As in back in 2017, we have witnessed that when the 25, the smallest simple moving average, moved above all these other simple moving averages, and we had then 50 below the 25, then 100, then 200, then a complete opened alligator mouth was formed, and the price action moved up to 51 cents as per Kraken exchange. So that was a very big move, up to more than 4,000%. And this time we can see that the 25 simple moving average is again went above all other simple moving averages. Then we have 50. Now at this time the 200 is above 100 simple moving average. This golden cross is still due, and we can see that these two simple moving averages are moving sideways since a long time. Therefore, whenever this 100 simple moving average will be crossed up, this 200 simple moving average, and there will be a distance between these two simple moving averages, and it will this cross will be very wide. Then it will be very much easy for the price line to move up more, and it will trigger a very powerful bullish divergence. Now at the end of this video, I would like to recall this very big bullish bad pattern that is a repetitive move like it was appeared here back in 2017. That was the smaller bad pattern on the weekly chart, but this time this is a big bad on the monthly chart. At that time, the price line triggered a bullish divergence more than 4,000%. That was a really very powerful bullish rally from the potential reversal zone, and at this time the price line is moving within this potential reversal zone since December 2018, and so far we can see it is in this PRZ level and waiting for the bullish divergence. And if we set our sell targets from this level up to this level, that is up to almost 41.5 cents, then it can produce more than 600% bullish rally. But I'm expecting more once the price action will cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci projection. This is the projection of A to D leg. Then it will be definitely moved up like it was moved up from here, and it can trigger or produce more powerful bullish rally. So this was the update so far by the XLM or Stellar. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you like the video, then do hit the like, do share my videos, and do share comments as well, and do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.